If you've ever wondered what Telegram is and how you can make the most of it, both as a regular user and as a content creator, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand why Telegram is so popular, how to set it up for secure and flexible messaging, and how you can actually grow an online community or even monetize your work using its unique features. Let's dive right in. Telegram is more than just another messaging app. It's fast, secure, and full of powerful options that set it apart from the crowd. One great example is its cloud storage. All your chats, photos, and files are stored securely online, not locked to a single device. Imagine you're switching between your phone, tablet, and computer throughout the day. You can pick up any conversation right where you left off, without having to worry about backups or missing files. It's a huge convenience, whether you're a casual user or managing multiple devices for work. That same underlying infrastructure gives Telegram its lightning-fast syncing. You'll notice messages pop in instantly across all your devices, which is key if you rely on timely updates or need to check in on the go. Now, privacy is a big concern these days, and Telegram takes it seriously. Regular chats are protected with robust cloud-based encryption, and if you want even more security, you can start a secret chat that's end-to-end encrypted and can self-destruct, great for sensitive discussions. Don't worry if you're not a tech expert. Telegram guides you step by step, and all privacy controls are clearly accessible under Settings. I always recommend taking a moment to visit Settings, Privacy and Security, where you control who can see your phone number, your last seen status, and even your profile photo. Setting these up helps you stay comfortable and private, especially if you're joining public groups or channels. Speaking of sharing, Telegram lets you send files up to 2 GB, pretty remarkable compared to most messaging apps. So whether it's high-res photos, videos, or zip project folders, you rarely hit a roadblock. In customization, Telegram shines here. Tweak your themes, adjust chat backgrounds, resize your font, or organize conversations with folders. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by message clutter, these options can really help keep things sorted and visually appealing. You'll also encounter Telegram bots. Think of them as helpful digital assistants. Some deliver news updates, others play games, and many manage groups or send you reminders. If you stumble across a bot, give it a try. They're designed to make tasks easier or add a bit of fun. To get started, download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and register using your phone number. Tap the Compose icon to start a chat with any contact, or use the search bar to discover public groups and channels. Groups are like interactive communities, while channels act more like one-way news feeds from creators. Now let's talk about using Telegram as a content creator. Telegram offers tools that go well beyond what most social platforms provide. You can launch your own channel, a space where you're the sole poster, perfect for broadcasting updates, newsletters, or joining the conversation with unlimited subscribers. To create one, tap the Compose icon, select New Channel, and name your space. Choose between public, searchable for anyone, or private, invite-only, depending on your goals. Posting content couldn't be simpler. Share text, images, videos, anything up to 2 GB, or link to illustrated articles you've written on Telegraph, Telegram's built-in publishing tool. Telegram automatically generates instant view versions for articles so followers can read them quickly, even on slow connections. Once your channel starts growing, you might want to boost engagement by turning on discussions. This links your channel to a group where members can comment and interact. Managing a vibrant audience is easy with supergroups. They can host up to 200,000 members and offer granular admin tools and pinned messages to keep conversations on track. If you're interested in monetizing your work, Telegram supports creators with in-app purchases. You can run star giveaways where fans tip or buy digital goods using Telegram stars, or unlock exclusive content through premium subscriptions. And with stories, you can share timely updates, limited-time offers, or even behind-the-scenes glimpses. Just set your privacy preferences so only your target audience sees what you share. With all these features, Telegram is a versatile platform for both private communication and building a following. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want tips on setting up channels, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. We're here to help you make the most of every app. Thanks for watching.